Good day, dear colleagues. My name is Ақерке. I'm an English teacher at the support school Lyceum named after Ә.Бөкейхан in Баужан village, Жуалы district, Jamбыл region. Today, I'm excited to share my experience and the methods I use to create an inclusive learning environment in my English lesson. And what are the issues of teaching inclusive learners in my English lesson? So I have chosen 9th grade. In the 9th grade, some learners have got such problems as some learners shy and some have trouble speaking and one is homeschooled. And some learners who can interact in collaboration. Okay, next. So, how I have found some solutions to these mentioned problems. In creating warm environment in collaboration, in teamwork, and that covers all the learners, I would like to suggest comics method. And I have why I have chosen particularly comics. Because comics helped me address different learning needs in several ways. At first, visual support. Comics provides a strong visual context which helps students who struggle with language processing or have special educational needs. And a simplified language. I design comics using simple, accessible English. This way, students with different language levels can still understand the storyline and participate fully in discussions and activities. And the next, collaborative activities. Collaborative activities, I often ask students to create their own comics, small groups, and this teamwork builds communication skills, encourages peer support, and fosters a sense of belonging. And next, motivation and interests. Comics are fun and engaging, capturing the attention of all learners. They create a relaxed, welcoming atmosphere where every student feels valued and motivated to take part. Okay, so let's go on the next presentation. Okay, I choose the unit 8, travel and tourism from grade 9, and the topic asking and giving information. I would like to introduce you to my learning objectives. Learning objectives use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about a range of general and curricular topics. Recognize typical phrases at word, sentence, and text level in a wide range of written genres. So, lesson objectives in my lesson use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and grammatical structures to discuss a range of general and curricular topics in both spoken and written forms, and identify and understand the typical features of word choice, sentence structure, and overall organization in various written genres. And then, while participating in inclusive group tasks that support students with diverse learning needs. So we will hand, dear colleagues, we will hand over to the next video, please. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm okay, thank you. Take your seats. So, students, today we'll continue our topic about travel and tourism. And today we'll learn asking for and giving information, okay? And today's our learning objectives. Students use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about a range of general and curricular topics. Okay, so at first, students, I'll give short comics for you. I'll give you short comics, and these comics, students, these comics to help us your reading, speaking, and acting skills. Okay. At first, you must read these comics carefully, and will be the one student tourist and one student local person. Okay? Please, I'll give you 1 minute. Please. Students, if you finished, you must please raise your hands, okay? Please, second, and then come here, act out in front of class, okay? Please, come here.
Excuse me, could you help me, please? I'm trying to find the city museum.
Okay.
Of course, what are you looking for?
It is not far from here. You can walk there easily. Which way shall I go? Is it near any land?
Go straight ahead, then take the second left.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, please sit down. And the next, please, your group. Ярославна, come here. Act out, okay? In front of class 2. Please read.
Excuse me, what is the information desk?
You are finding the ones left near the cafe.
Thanks. Could you give me some information about city tours?
Here you go. This will tell you about them.
Thanks.
Please, thank you. Thank you, okay. Your assessment task, students, good teamwork, yes, and clear pronunciation. Okay, now second task, students, you must create your own comics, okay, with groups, asking for and giving information, okay, in real life situations. Please, I'll give you 5 minutes, please. Yes, okay. What about shopping center? Okay. Yes, okay, very good. What about your comic students? About shopping center? Go to shop? Yes. Okay. If you finish it, students? Yes. If you finish, you must raise your hands.
We have finished.
Okay, please come here in your group. Asimay and Ramazan, yeah? Please come here. Your own comics, yes? Please, what about these comics, students? What about?
Choosing clothes.
Okay, please, read.
Hi Jack, what should I wear for today?
Hi Emma. Today weather very hot. So you should wear t-shirt or dress.
I prefer to wear dress. This feels amazing and I still look good.
Wow, you look so comfy and cool.
Comfort and style, that's a trend.
Okay, very good.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, very good, thank you. Applause, please. Please come back, sit down. And the next group? Have you finished it? Please, come here. here. Okay, Balosa and Brahman. Yes, please. I'm here. Read. Intro, of course. Okay.
Do you really study using comic books?
Yeah, it actually helps a lot.
Seriously, I thought comics were just for fun.
Not at all. The visuals make it easier to remember things.
Okay, what about your comic students?
Shopping center.
Shopping center, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Sit down, okay. And assessment task, students, create your creative and good teamwork, okay? Thank you. So, students, now please, your opinions for today's lesson, for today's comics task, yes? Please, who says, so please, Uljan.
I think comic books are very fun and effective way to study, because like making that we can learn a lot of new information, and
Yes.
it will be making learning information interesting and memorable.
Memorable, yes, okay, thank you, please. Who says, students, please, Bojan.
Comic books are, I think comic books are a very important tool for studying. It makes studying easier by combining images and text. I think we have to use this method in study.
Yes, in study, okay, please. Okay, thank you, my dears. So, thank you. Next, thank you for watching, dear colleagues. And the next presentation, these pictures. Okay, so these pictures, my learners' work time, and this poster, learners' work. Okay, in my video, in the first dialogue, shy and timid learner with glasses trying to follow the other learners and read along. And in the dialogue number 2, the learner who has got blonde hair finds it difficult to say the word yes, but here he is trying to read by looking at the comic pictures, which has got his interest. So the advantages of the using comics is more important than disadvantages. Comics have many advantages, especially in education. First, very engaging. Second, visual learning. Third, easier to understand. And fourth, important life lessons. First, they're very engaging. They're very engaging comics. The colorful pictures and short text make reading more fun and less scary for students. And the second, comics support visual learning. And the third, they are also good for improving reading skills. And another advantage is that comics make ideas easy to understand. Finally, comics can teach important life lessons. Okay, so comics are fun and engaging, but they also have some disadvantages. Maybe first can be too simple, and the second don't always work in every culture. Okay, and that's all. So in my webinar, I used Canva and I in creating this webinar and video. Okay, dear colleagues, if you have any